Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have products to use by STYLEVANA for December. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received products to use for December. STYLEVANA was kind enough to send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and see what is going to be in here for me to use for this month. I'm super excited. If you don't know, STYLEVANA literally can be your one-stop shopping for anything and everything that you need K-beauty and J-beauty related. They have skincare, they have makeup, like literally they have it all. They have the best brands, and shopping with STYLEVANA, you can be rest assured that everything is going to be authentic. You're gonna receive everything that you ordered. It's gonna come quickly and prepared amazingly. So nothing is going to become like arrive damaged, broken, or anything like that. It shouldn't anyway, because they take so much pride in packaging their products. So I will link them all down below. You can definitely go check them out at any time. You can see all of their amazing deals, and you can use my code INF10 SheCrafty to save an additional 10 to 15% off depending on how much is accumulated in your cart at checkout. So everything will be linked down below, plus all of the products that I will be showing you now individually will be linked in the description box as well if you wanted to check out any of these products or anything that they have to offer. So let's go ahead and see what we have now. So everything is down in this bubble wrap. And look at all these products we have this month, you guys. I'm super excited. Okay, so let's start off with this first item right here. We have this big old box right here, which looks like it's going to be face masks. It says step 2. Oh, that's it's a 3-step. Okay, hold on. Let's open these. I love a sheet mask. I just love sheet masks in general, but I really like, and I think it's super neat when they have like a 2 or a 3-step process with them. In here, oh my goodness, there is a lot of them. Look at this. How many is in here? There is 10 different ones. I love when they send boxes like this because then I keep a few, and then I keep a few in my giveaway pile to pass down to you guys, so I get to share with you guys as well. And that's what I'm going to do with like half of this box. I'll put in my giveaway pile so you guys can enjoy them as well. But look at this. It is a 3-step process. So number 1, you have the Marine Waterfall Essence. Number 2, you have the actual face mask. And then at the end, you have the Marine All Face Eye Cream. All Face Eye Cream. So you use the one, you put this on, and then you have that cream that you put on at the end, and you're completely done. I love that. Oh my goodness. Marine Luminous 3-step mask helps to make 3 layers of moisturizing barrier for hydrated skin. And there's 10 of them down in this packet, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that because again, I get to share with you guys as well. Okay, so now we have is a pure cleansing oil, and I absolutely love using a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil. I always tell you guys I prefer the balms over the oils myself, but I definitely love using either one as my first step of my cleansing. So I use one of those first, and then in the shower, I will use a normal cleanser to clean my whole entire face off so it's nice and clean for the double cleanse. So down inside of here is going to be, it has a little protecting thing for its spout. And that is what it looks like. Now this one, I believe this brand I have used as well, and it's not very oily, so I don't mind. There's another one that I love even more, but this one I don't mind either because it's not too oily. So this one is a nice, just like cleansing oil. So with this one, you just put some on your dry hands, you rub it around, kind of like warm it up in the warmth of your hands, and then just massage it all over whatever makeup you have. For me, it's just like in this area. And then what I do is I get some warm water on my hands and just kind of like to kind of like activate a little bit. And then I rinse everything off. And then in the shower, we'll use that cleanser. So here is what would be the first step of a double cleanse. So there's that cleansing oil right there. Next we have, it says Round Lab 1025 toner, 200 ml. So we have a toner. I love toners because I use them every single day. So after your double cleanse and you have a nice cleansed face, you use your toner first. And that's what this one looks like. That's a nice size packaging too. And it looks super, super clear. Look at the liquid in there, that's super clear. So you have your toner, and then up next would be an ampule. And we got this one right here. This is the Madagascar Centella by Skin 1004. I absolutely love this brand. So I'm so, so excited. It is a pore minimizing fresh ampule. So the ampule you put on after you're cleansed and toned, and then whatever you want to do afterwards, it's kind of like boosts the next step after you put this one on. And oh my gosh, I love that. Look at the packaging. So you have this nice large ampule. This ampule contains centella extracts from untouched nature of Madagascar to soothe sensitive skin, and Himalayan pink salt and peptide complex to control pores, and sebum to restore balance to the skin. And then how to use: drop an appropriate amount and evenly apply to the skin. Pat to promote absorption. Very, very simple. So I'm super excited about that because again, I really, really love that brand. Up next we have, it says super something essential oil, lavender relief 7 free. When they send me like the list of what they send, I normally don't really check it because I kind of want to be surprised. I'm just like, yeah, everything looks good. This one has lavender, and if you follow me, you know lavender is not my friend. Rose and lavender, the artificial scents, give me a huge migraine. I have migraines enough that I don't want something to help like amplify that or give me something that I don't need. So I just stay clear away from them, and any of those products I save and pass down to you guys. So this one I'm not going to be able to use because it has the lavender, unfortunately, but I will save this for one of you guys to enjoy. It says perfect for cracked and irritated skin, 7 ingredients free, dermatology tested. And it says natural lavender oil helps to stress relief. Directions: take an appropriate amount and gently apply in massaging motion to promote absorption into the skin. Apply on face, body, and everywhere you have dryness. So you can use this as all over your entire body. It doesn't have to just be for your face. But, oh, and if you want to see what it looks like, I'm like, I know I'm not going to use it. This is how it looks down inside. Right there. So up next, I love this brand too. This is the rice mask I'm from. Oh my gosh, I love this brand. I'm telling you, they have so many great brands. So this would be great just for yourself or for gift ideas, anything like that. It does come with your own little scooper outer so you can get the product out. And then, ooh, look at the packaging. So for this one, let me read to see if I have to wash it off first before I open it, because if I do, I will save it for one of you guys. This one here says, I'm from rice mask. Contains rice harvested in Korea. The rice powder in the mask removes dead skin and impurities on your skin. Directions: apply on a cleansed face and massage in circular motions. When finished, wipe off and proceed to the next step with rice toner. So definitely you do wipe this one off, so I will save it for one of you guys. But that sounds amazing. I just don't care for those products that you have to wipe them off. I like to leave things on, let it absorb, and have it nice and good the next day. So I will save this for, oh, let me put your little scooper outer back in there. I will save this for one of you guys since I did not open the actual package. So there's that. Up next we have, it says Mugwort Calming Soothing Gel. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this because I love a good soothing gel when I'm outside and I get sun exposure or anything like that. I love to have a good calming gel afterwards. It says Round Lab Mugwort Calming Soothing Gel. Completed skin irritation tests. Fresh calming soothing gel that relaxes stressed skin conditions with sea breeze mugwort extracts. How to use: often apply appropriate amount of gel and spread out to absorb. You can use it cooler if stored in the refrigerator. Now that is a great idea. I actually put some of my face masks and leave them in the refrigerator, so when I put them on, they're nice and cold and it just feels amazing. But I never thought to put like one of these gels in the refrigerator. That would feel really, really nice and cold. I might have to remember that and keep one of these in the refrigerator, but that's a great idea. So you have the calming soothing gel to use anytime. Next we have, again, I love Skin 1004. This is the Madagascar Centella Water Fit Sun Serum, SPF 50+, PA+++++. And again, I love this brand and I love a sunscreen. So yeah, look at the packaging, how pretty that is. I believe I did get this one before, and since it had the blue, I put that in my blue backpack. So if I am outside and I need anything, I have it with me. But I love the packaging. And this one is really convenient because of the, you just, and then you just put it on like that. And then I believe this one dries down super fast. And yep, and no white casting or anything like that. So there you go. And then we have the last product. This is a sunscreen as well. This is the V10 Air Fit Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum SPF 50. And there's the packaging. And then out of the box, that is what this one looks like. And for this one, let me put it on. Oh wait, hold on. Lose the seal. Let me remove this seal first. Okay, let's try that again. Now this one I'll put on this hand. So it is white, and then I'll move it down to even like my arm, because that's where you can really see that blends in on my color. This one leaves more of a whiter cast to it than the other one. The other one blends in like seamlessly, but then once you do work it in, you don't see it anymore. So there you go. And it feels really nice. This one feels nice and moisturizing. They both do, but this one feels really nice and moisturizing. So there is another sunscreen. So that is everything for December. We have 2 different sunscreens, which I love. I can't say it enough how important it is for us to protect our skin. You have this Mugwort Calming Soothing Gel. You have this, I'm so excited about this, Skin 1004 Ampule. You have the Cleansing Oil. There is this lavender product and this product that I will save for one of you guys to enjoy. Then you have a toner, and then this whole packet of 10 face masks, which is a 3-step process. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything that I got for December. What do you think of the products that they sent to me? Have you used any of these? Have you used any of these brands? Do you want to? Definitely let me know. I will again have them linked down below, their main website, and the link to each individual product here. If you want to go just check out one of them or all of them, whichever, they will all be linked in the description box to help you out. And again, INF10 SheCrafty will get you that 10 to 15% off their already low prices. So there you go. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.